Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start on a device where you're signed into your Apple ID. Open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac, then tap your name and choose iCloud. Once there, select Mail or iCloud Mail to reveal the iCloud email address tied to that account. If you don't immediately see it, check the Apple ID profile page. Make sure you're using the correct account so you don't confuse aliases with the primary address. Once signed into the Apple ID account area, look at the Account and Reach a Bullet sections to identify the primary iCloud address and any added emails. Then open iCloud. COM Mail Settings to inspect aliases. Aliases can appear like separate addresses but route to the same inbox. If the email isn't listed or you can't sign in, initiate account recovery. Provide your recovery phone, trusted device, or passcodes. You finish by confirming the primary iCloud email in account info, and if needed, add a rescue or alternate email so recovery is easier later. Then sign in to iCloud. COM Mail and send yourself a test message to verify sending and receiving. If mail fails, check spam filters, mailbox size, and that mail is enabled in iCloud settings. Key troubleshooting tip: if you can't access the address, start account recovery immediately and use your trusted phone or device to regain control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.